Today we are going to announce one of the most important workshop related information. First of all, congratulations and best wishes for the World Pharmacy Day. So entire world is celebrating the World Pharmacy Day on 25th of September every year. So I, as a pharmacist and also the director of Pharmavision, that is the specialized education consultancy for the pharmacy students in India. So that's our moral, ethical, professional responsibilities to celebrate this one of the most important event every year. So on this regards, on World Pharmacy Day, we have organized a workshop especially for the Indian pharmacy students on 29th of September 2019 on Sunday at 10:30 to 1 o'clock. Why we have selected a Sunday? Because most of the students, those who are studying at a moment, they get a time to come and join and participate in this event. So I am waiting for you to come and join this exciting workshop related to scope and opportunities as a pharmacist all across the globe. In this workshop, we are going to focus on four most important elements. The first part, we are going to discuss about the scope as a pharmacist in various developed countries like Canada, US, Australia, New Zealand, UK, Ireland and other European countries. What are the opportunities as a pharmacist? In last few years, I have come across so many Indian students are misunderstood about the opportunities as a pharmacist in developed countries. So in this opportunity section, we are going to discuss about how to become a clinical pharmacist, then how you take to the next level in the professional field to become a prescribing pharmacist, registered clinical pharmacist, disease management pharmacist, nuclear pharmacist, geriatric, diabetic educator. So many different opportunities you can get once you become the registered pharmacist. So in first section, we are going to elaboratively discuss about the scopes and opportunities as a pharmacist in various developed countries. In second part, what are the different licensing examinations need to be appeared to become the pharmacist, your eligibilities, the structure of the examination, how to prepare for the exam, what need to be read and how you have to prepare so you can get a success in your exam. In third section, we are going to give a importance about how to execute your plan. Some of the examinations are conducting in India. Some of the examinations you have to go and write in that particular country. So on which visa you have to go and write the exam, how you have to plan all these things, we are going to discuss on the education part of the workshop. And the last is we are going to give you an opportunity to fill as a pharmacist. So in role play section, we are going to discuss about the various competency standards, practice frameworks, and also how to work as a pharmacist. Role plays are going to be done. So you can feel the essence, how to become a pharmacist and how you are going to practice as a pharmacist. That will help you a lot to think, behave and change your attitude as a pharmacist, and that can prepare you as a global competencies to work as a pharmacist not only in India but anywhere in the world. So our main objective is to empower the Indian pharmacy students and make them align as per the needs, requirement and competency standards of the global scenarios, and you can achieve and acquire the best career as a pharmacist, and we can help you out as a catalyst to achieve your success in your life. So see you on 29th of September at 10:30 at our office, and definitely this workshop will change your life. Thank you very much. and see you soon. Okay, bye bye.